Have you ever found yourself wishing you could send specific messages to specific users within your website? Just like inviting a certain group of friends to a movie night rather than the entire neighborhood. Well, Webpushr's segmentation feature is just the ticket. Let's unpack this handy tool in this video. Hi, my name is Ashley, and I'm going to be explaining Webpushr's powerful segmentation feature. Imagine you're running a pizza joint and you have a website where users sign in to place orders. Some users love veggie pizza, some are all about that meaty goodness, and some just want those cheese deals. Wouldn't it be awesome if you could send a meat lover special alert to just the carnivores out there? With segmentation, you can. Segmentation is all about dividing your user base into smaller, specific groups based on certain criteria. This could be anything from user behavior, like which products they've browsed, to specifics about their device, location, and more. Setting up segments in Webpushr is like piecing together a fun puzzle. Webpushr tracks a variety of data points out of the box, like country, browser type, device type, and last session information. You can also add custom ones using our custom attributes feature to get even more specific. Let's quickly demo how you can create a segment. For the purpose of this demo, I'm going to create a segment of users from the US that have not been to the site for over 4 weeks. I will first log into my Webpushr dashboard and then head over to the users menu item on the left-hand side and then click on Segments. Here you will see a list of all segments. By default, we create 2 segments on your behalf. These are all users that contain every single one of your push subscribers, and test users that contain users that you have manually tagged as test users from our dashboard. To create a new segment, click on the Create New Segment button. This will take you to our segment creator view. Type in a name for your segment, make sure it's descriptive. In our case, I'll call it US users, no activity in the last 4 weeks. You then click on the first dropdown and select country as the filtering option. Keep in mind that if you have assigned any custom attributes, you will automatically see a list of those custom attributes in this dropdown. Now, we will set the value of this filtering option to US. I will now select my second filtering option of weeks since last visit and set to more than 4 weeks. The operator clause in our use case will be and, but you can easily switch it to or. You will notice that there's an option to refresh segment size. This essentially calculates the number of push subscribers that match our filtering criterion. Once you save the segment, it is now available to use for sending highly targeted push notifications. You can create as many segments as you like. Sending everyone the same message can be like throwing spaghetti at a wall and seeing what sticks. Not always effective, right? With segmentation, your messages can be more relevant, timely, and personalized. This can lead to higher engagement rates, better user experience, and just smarter marketing. So there we have it. If you found this video useful, please like it, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest product updates and tips. Bye for now.